Hi students, I am Mr. Ha. After these lessons, you will learn how to compose a short melody by using a web software. Before I giving you the instructions, I want you to listen to some musical example that's created by this software first. This is the first example. This is the second example. This is the third example. The sound of this song is quite nice, and I think that is very familiar to all of you. Actually, you can also compose your own music by using this software. The name of this software is called Chrome Music Lab. You can go to this website to find this software. After going to this website, you will see a page like this. Please click the first graphic here. And then you will go to this page. This is a default setting, but this is quite difficult to all of you. So I want you to make it more simple. Please click the settings button. There are 6 items that we can change the value. I want you to change the length of this song from 4 bars to 2 bars. The range of these songs from 2 octave to 1 octave. The others value, please keep it remain unchanged. Beats per bar is equal to 4. Split beats into 2. Scale is major, and we start on middle C. After that, click the tick button, and then you will see a page like this. Before we move on, I want to do some revision to all of you. This is the music theory of rhythm we have already learned. The first one, do you remember what is the name of this symbol? This is ta. The value of this rhythm is 1 beat. And then the second one, the name is TT. The value is also 1 beat. If we sing 2 rhythms continuously, the sound will be ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti. The last rhythm here is called ta, ta. The value is 2 beats. If we sing 3 rhythms continuously, the sound will be ta, ti, ti, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. If we want to compose this kind of rhythm to Chrome Music Lab, we have to translate it to grid notation. If we want to write a ta rhythm, first of all, we have to fill up the first grid. After that, we have to leave the following 3 grids empty. If we want to write a rhythm of ta, we have to fill up the first grid and then leave 1 grid blank after the note. If we want to write a TT rhythm, we have to fill up 2 grids continuously. Music is not only rhythm, but also pitch. So I want to do some revision of solfege to all of you. Solfege is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. And we need to translate these solfege to Chrome Music Lab. Chrome Music Lab is using different color to represent different solfege. Red for do, orange for re, yellow for mi, light green for fa, dark green for so, purple for la, pink for ti. And then the higher do is also using the red color, but this is one octave higher than the lower do. Let's do some musical example. In this case, the rhythm of this phrase is ta ta ti ti ta. The solfege is do re mi re do. The first note is do, so I click the note here. This rhythm is ta. If you want to write a ta rhythm, we have to leave one empty grid after the note. So we cannot add any note in the second column. The second note is re, so I write it here. Also, this is a ta rhythm again, so I have to leave a blank grid here. The third and the fourth note is ti ti. The solfege is mi re, so I write it here, mi re. This time I have to write two notes continuously. The last note is do. The rhythm is also ta, so I write a note here and do not write any note in this column. Let's listen to this musical example. Again, I think that is quite short. I want to make it longer, so I prepared the phrase to all of you. This rhythm is ta. The solfege is la. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. So I click the solfege here. Remember, if we want to write a rhythm of ta, we have to leave 3 grids empty after the note. Therefore, we cannot add any notes in these 3 columns. After that, we have mi, fa, ti, ti. So I write a note here, mi, fa, continuously. The last note is so. The rhythm is ta. So I write the note here. And then make sure there are no notes at the end of this phrase. Okay, let's listen to the whole song now. Actually, we can move the tempo, the speed of this song by clicking this. If the value is low, the speed will be slower. If the value is high, the speed will faster. Now I want to teach you what is good melody, what is bad melody, and what is wrong melody. I would like to tell you what is wrong melody first. This time we are composing melody. In this case, 2 notes played at the same time, and this is wrong because we cannot sing 2 notes at the same time. So please do not do this kind of melody to me. The second example is a bad example. As you see, there are many do in this melody. And then the rhythm is always ta 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 ta. The melody is too repetitive. Therefore, this is a bad example. It's quite boring. However, This is only a bad example. This is not a wrong example. The last one, it is a good example. As you see, the first pattern and the second pattern is similar. And the last pattern is different to the first two patterns. A good melody have similarity and variety. I want you to do this kind of melody to me. After composing, please click the Save button. And then you will see a link here. Copy the link and then send to me through Edmodo. Send this link to me through Edmodo. The homework is compose a 2-bar melody. This is a compulsory homework, so please leave me a message through Edmodo if you have any questions. I hope you enjoy this composition process. Goodbye.